Maling jacket yung nadala ko. Warm naman to, pero umuulan kasi, sayang. Sana hindi umuulan. First time namin pumunta dito, mga kalalabs. Yung pupuntahan nating coffee shop is, ang pangalan niya is The Shade Coffee Shop. Nauna na yung dalawa. Kailangan kong i-prepare ang aking self. Wala tayong payong. Let's go there. Wow! Family day. Look at this view, mga kalalabs. Oh, it's our first time to come here. Na-discover lang namin siya kaninang umaga. Ayan, oh. So, dito yung coffee shop. I think nagsiserve sila dito ng pizza, ganyan. Yun yung sabi ni Papa dito. Well, we should come here when it's sunny. Kasi maganda dito. Warm? Yan yung ni Nicole. Bumubuga siya ng usok. Hinihintay namin yung order naming pizza, ma. Maganda tong lugar na to pag summer, for sure. Kasi sobrang ang ganda ng view. Tapos, para kang nasa ibang nasa ibang lugar. Something like that. Like every single day we discover different coffee shop. Okay?
Yeah, that's just a lot.
Yeah. It's a lot of good coffee shop in Vancouver. You don't need to go to the same places every single time. But at the same time, pag meron na kaming nagustuhan na coffee shop, we will go back kasi nagustuhan talaga namin siya. Kasi madalang yung coffee shop na may masarap silang kape, may masarap silang pagkain, ganun. So if we found a good coffee shop na may masarap na pagkain, we always go back. Umuusok talaga yung sa sobrang lamig. Yes. Why you need the fork?
Oh.
Kain.
Good choice. I like the onion.
I like this. It's good. Tapos na kaming kumain ng pizza, mga kalalabs. So, yan yung restaurant or coffee shop. And then, dito yung viewpoint. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Especially when it's mga kalalabs. For sure, pag maaraw, mas maganda makikita nyo ng bonggang-bongga yan. Yung niya. Kulay. Pero ngayon kasi gray. Kasi nga, diba? Umuulan. Next stop, let's go to the mall. Punta tayo sa mga Park Royal Mall. Kasi, bibili tayo ng bagong gamit sa kusina. Maghahanap ako ng cutting board na kahoy. Kasi yung meron tayo plastic, hindi daw healthy talaga yun.
Especially the black one.
Yeah, and then the black one daw, yung spatula, yung mga yon, yung parang...
We didn't know that.
Oh, wait,
Did you know that?
it's a spatula or the...
Spatula,
The scoop, yeah, for the soup. Ano daw?
Soup?
Hindi pala talaga daw yun okay sa kalusugan natin. So, sabi ni Papa, there's a police, Nicole, oh. Yeah, they're waiting here. So, sabi ni Papa, may napanood daw siyang vlog last night. And then, yung doctor sabi niya, you should throw those ones kasi hindi daw talaga siya healthy. And we know that already, actually. And then, I've been looking for a wood cutting board. But yung scoop ng
We
soap.
have a wood cutting board, don't we?
We don't have.
What happened to it?
I don't know what happened to it.
We used to have one for the longest time. We must still have it. And you
No,
didn't
I
throw
don't
it out.
have. No, I didn't.
You threw it out?
No, I didn't throw it out. I think it get cut, like it's broken. The big one. I remember that one. It's broken. It when
Kasi matagal na rin yun
Oh yeah,
yung-
never put it in the dishwasher.
Yeah, matagal na rin kasi yung cutting board na yun na meron kami. We have cutting board na wood before.
You see, there's two pros and cons. So plastic gives you microplastics.
Mhm.
The wooden cutting board is prone to bacteria because the bacteria can
Yeah, can grow.
grow into the wooden board. So you want to
Yeah.
be careful to clean it really well.
Yeah.
However, more bacteria means more health.
So sabi mo, Papa
Maybe
Nick.
not.
But, yun nga, sige, maghanap tayo nun. And let's see kung makakabili tayo today. If it's not, then I can do it tomorrow as well. Kasi tomorrow is Tuesday. Mag-isa ko na naman sa bahay, trabaho, and then Nicole is going to school, Papa is going to office, and then, ayun, meron akong time para magtingin-tingin. Yeah. And then, bibilin din pala namin yung stove, but we don't know when. When are we going to buy the new, stove?
What?
When we're going to buy the stove, the new stove, I think we should buy it soon because it's on sale, right?
Yeah.
It
But
will-
it's always on sale.
I don't know. Let's see.
And are we going to get the cheapest one?
Yeah,
Because the blue one that's blue inside, it looks good and it's blue, so you pay extra money.
true.
True blue.
True blue. It's cheaper.
Of course, well.
Winners. So, sana makahanap tayo ng ano. Which one?
Towels. You know, Mama used to buy us towels for 10 years.
What do you mean? Let's check kung meron tayong mabiling cutting board dito.
Hey, look. They have my body.
Oh, no. It's not your body.
What are you talking about?
They have your body. It's funny. Anong pupuntahan ni... Oh, should we change our, lab?
That looks better? Yes.
No, the one that's, like the... What do you call this?
Metal tile. Scoop.
Measuring cup. Like something like this.
Oh.
I have this one. The plastic one. So I think it's okay, this one. Because
The
you're not...
measuring cups are fine.
Yeah, they're
It's the
fine.
heat. What's
Yeah.
the heat? So, they said you can use silicone's fine.
That's silicone?
Yeah.
That one
But
is...
don't get the black plastic. These ones are no good.
That's what we have.
That's what we have, but
Let's check this one.
we found out that they're no good actually.
Okay.
So, these ones are okay.
How about that one?
Those ones are same thing, but they're gonna get dirty. Look how dirty they are already.
Maybe
Serious.
this color.
Okay, let me check something here.
How about this one, love?
That's got a coating on it though.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But it's fine. Here, look. This one. Martha
Oh,
Stewart.
that's nice. But the problem is... Oops.
Stainless steel, wood, or high quality silicone. So we can get the silicone ones.
Okay. Iniisip ko kasi, kung bibili kami ng... Kasi kailangan, iba yung cutting board ng gulay at saka karne. So, kailangan, alam mo, tapos, lilinisin mo ng mabuti. Parang wala silang masyadong choices dito ng cutting board. Ganda to Magkano to? This is $29.99. Pag-isipan natin yan. Which one should we get, love? Is that the one good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good. You know what I don't like
Okay.
though is the wooden handles in the washer.
Oh, that's
Because
right.
they're gonna get rotten, right? 'Cause they always get
Yeah.
rotten in the washer, those things. So,
I know. Maybe we can just wash it on
so
our
these
hand.
are plastic.
Yeah.
I guess yeah, it's up to you. But
Yeah.
I
I think this is fine.
yeah, it's like our knives will get rotten, right?
Yeah. This is good. Coffee mug. Look, it's so cute. It's so cute.
You know, it's a coffee mug, but if you stick it on the fridge, it's a magnet.
Mug. Look at this one.
Wow.
Wow. So, bibilhin namin to. Pero yung cutting board, hanap muna ako sa ibang lugar. Kasi, kailangan ko pag-isipang mabuti ang bagay-bagay.
Gangster inside too.
You should get it. Is it nice? Can you try it on? Try it on
Very hard to
first.
get. Actually, the only place I ever found it was in a weird city called Jakarta in Indonesia.
Bayaran ko lang to saglit, mga kalalabs. Kaya ito yung mga mamahali na sunglasses. Tsaka bag. Wallets, mga bags. Dito yung bilihan ng mga affordable na mga gamit-gamit. Uwi na kami, mga kalalabs. May hinahanap si Nicole na bag, pero wala siya nakita dito sa Park Royal. And then, ang binili lang namin is yung mga sandok. Oh, sorry, love. Wala, bigla naman sumakit yung tiyan ko. Kailangan kong, nasa malapit sa CR. Kasi parang, nagkaroon ako ng something. Alam niyo na kung ano yun. Like, hindi pa sana kami uuwi, ikot-ikot pa kami. Pero, oh my God, nakailang beses na akong, Tapos, pagkatapos mo nag-CR, syempre, di ba, public washroom yun sa mall. Tapos, pag nag-CR ka, yung parang nahihiya ka lumabas dun sa loob ng CR kasi, para kang may ginawang masama. Kaloka. Kaya kailangan pag may umaalis ka ng bahay, meron kang pabango. Kasi yung pabango, yun yung parang, pampawala ng alam mo na, di ba? Alam niyo naman yung mga kalalabs. So, kakaloka, nakakainis. Iikot-ikot pa sana kami dito. There's a lot of small, boutique na mga shop dito sa Park Royal. But, yeah. It's a bad day, I think. I don't know if it's the coffee or the pizza.
Maybe both because the milk and the milk.
Yeah, it's just...
Dairy and dairy.
Kasi may dairy, dairy problem. Dairy problem!
No, the thing is,
What?
every superhero has its antimatter. So, you can always defeat Superman with kryptonite. Vampires, you can defeat with garlic.
Okay,
we
love.
can defeat you with dairy. So there's always someone has their weakness, right?
But the pizza doesn't have a lot of cheese eh.
But it has some.
Yeah. Hindi ko alam, biglang kumulo yung tiyan ko na ewan. Tapos, oh my gosh. Sorry, Nicole. We didn't find your bag.
Yes, we did.
I'm planning to buy it for you, but then, yeah, we didn't find it. You should find it sa downtown. I-check, mo na lang, picturean mo kung saan mo nakita. And then send it to me. I don't know.
It's at JD Sports?
JD Sports or Nike?
Oh, why don't you apply at JD Sports?
I did.
Oh, okay. You did? Oh, cool.
Si Nicole ay magsi-16 years old na. So, sorry. Kasi 17. Laging
Wow.
Nicole's turning 17 years old and then she's planning to apply for her first job. And she said she wanted to work at the
Coffee shop.
Foot Locker daw.
So that's a good first job.
Foot Locker, Starbucks. I think Starbucks.
Starbucks is
McDonald's.
good.
McDonald's.
Yeah.
No.
No. Actually, sorry. So there's one thing you got to learn about your first job. Take anything you can get.
It's for your
Yeah,
experience.
don't worry about saying
Yeah.
no, being picky. You just go
Don't
ahead.
be picky. In Canada, you're not allowed to be picky.
You just go ahead and take any
Like-
job you want for your first jobs or whatever. But then your career is different from a job. So
Yeah.
later on, be picky about your career. But
Yeah.
your first jobs, don't worry about it. It's just extra
Yes,
income.
extra income
Like,
and have fun with it.
Never turn down Starbucks if you
Yeah.
get Starbucks, because that would be crazy.
Yeah. Kasi dito sa Canada, like, you're not allowed to say like, oh, I don't like that job. Right now, it's just whatever you get, just get it for experience. Diba mga kalalabs?
Di ba makalalala?
Ay, tara na, uwi na tayo. Kumukulo na naman yung tiyan ko. Oh, ayun yung ginagalaw ko, ayun yung pagalaw. Ang cute-cute naman yan. Ang cute-cute naman. Tingnan mo naman yung tingnan nyo, sirang-sira na yung niya. Ewan ko paano mo nasira yan. Bibilihan kita ng bago niyan. Kasi bibili din ako ng mga gamit mo. Oo na. Ikaw na talaga ang dito. Tingnan niyo siya. Nag-stretch na siya. Stretching. Tingnan mo yung ginawa mo sa mo. Balik siya doon. Ayaw niya magpa-vlog.
So let's just get you to sign that one.
Which one? Here?
Yeah.
It's Ang aga-aga mga kalalabs, ang dami naming tinapos na trabaho ni Papa Dave. Pirma dito, pirma doon, mga importanteng mga papeles na dapat harapin, ganyan. And kahapon hindi na ako nakapag-continue ng vlog ko mga kalalabs kasi hindi ko alam kung anong nainom ko at nakain ko at nagkaroon ako ng diarrhea. I think it's hindi ko alam, kung galing yun sa pizza, di sana si Nicole at si Papa di meron din. Pero ako lang yung nagkaroon. So, I think sa dairy or something like that, or kung ano man yung nainom ko. Pero, okay naman na ako ngayon, buti na lang. At may gamot kami dito sa bahay. Nag-take agad ako ng gamot. Ay, grabe, ang sakit ng tiyan ko kahapon. Kaloka yun na. Sabi ko kay Papa Di, siguro yung yung kape na may gatas. Nagkape din naman si Papa Di. Pero hindi ko alam talaga kung saan talaga siya galing. Ang importante, okay naman na tayo today. And hindi ako magbablog today, mga kalabs. Mag-e-end lang ako ng vlog. And marami akong tatapusin na trabaho today. Kung naririnig nyo, naglalaban na ako. Ang dami kong trabaho kasi ilang days na walang pasok si Nicole, ilang days na walang pasok si Papa Dave. So, lahat ng mga gawain ko nung Monday na tambak. So, today ko siya gagawin. Kaya hindi ako makapag-vlog today. And, akala ko yung pagbubunot ng ngipin ni Nicole is sa 28 pa. Sa Friday pala. So, bubunutin yung dalawang wisdom tooth niya. May nabasa akong comment na Mami Fi, paki-share naman sa amin or pakita kung anong itsura nung Invisalign ba yun? Yung sinabi ko nung yun ba yun? Yung sinasabi nyo. Kasi yung kung nailagay na sa ngipin ni Nicole, sabi niya eh. So, sabi ko, ano yun? Yung Invisalign? Hindi pa namin alam kung kung kailan yung next appointment ni Nicole after mabunot yung ngipin niya. Kasi after mabunot is ipapa-estimate namin kung magkano yung Invisalign. Yun yung yun yung next after mabunot yung ngipin ni Nicole. Natatakot nga si Nicole eh. Sabi ko, huwag kang matakot. Ano lang yun? Sabi ko, saglit lang naman yun. Yung bubunutin yung ngipin niya. Tatakot siya sa injection. Eh, ako din ganun eh. Takot ako sa injection. So, yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo po yung vlog today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you haven't yet, i-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload kami ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog, mga kalalabs. God bless us all. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye!